Cool Kicks YouTube channel. We are in Santa Clarita. Let's go. Dang, Reseller's doing it huge. Look at that. Look at that. Dang, has there been stuff? I haven't been here in forever. All right, let's go look around, then I'll talk to you guys about it. What the hell? Do you see it? This is a size 10. That is my size, and I doubled up on these, which I kind of do regret. But yeah, what the hell, dude? Why are these here? These are $1.60, so under retail. That's the important thing right now. Wow. And then, dude, got some mids right here going for 90. Did I say mids? Got some lows right here going for 90. Got some of these already. Zoom Freak 5, $60 already. Holy cow. Holy cow. Dang, this is hella cheap. Hella cheap, damn. I'm looking for basketball shoes for a nephew. 10.5, go for 100. LeBron's right here, $199.99. Damn. More mids right here, go for 100. I'm looking for some KDs. Whoa, I haven't seen these in forever. 36s. This weird multicolor colorway. Wow, I definitely have not seen these in a while. $80 for those. Vapor Max, multiple Vapor Max go for $100. 97s right here. $80 for those. Cosmic Unity 3s. $70 for those. Damn, if I can find some KDs. Another colorway of Days. $70 for those. How dare you? How dare you? If you know what I'm talking about, you know. Alright, I am trying out these Zoom Freak 5s and Antetokounmpos, and these actually fit true to size. I can actually wear a 10 technically, so they slightly big. Because I usually get a 10.5 on everything. I can fit a 10 on some stuff, but yeah, I can actually fit a 10. The Zoom Freaks have always been extra tight. This year is slightly different. Wow. Wow. Still in the size 10. $1.60 for these mother lovers right here. PSG 6s. This is pretty freaking dope. Oh wow, these are nice. These are nice. Yeah, $1.60 for those. The Air Max Bacon lookalikes right here, down to $60. $60 for Air Max 90s. Holy cow. $80 for Air More Up Tempos. Hopefully I can find different colorways later. Jordan 1 Low, the new version, it's going for $50. Got some 2s right here. $1.20. That's just way too high. Jordan 1 High OGs, the Lucky Greens, $1.50. So slightly under retail, not a huge discount though. If you're a size 10 too, this is freaking fire, because look, this whole aisle is a size 10. And you got this aisle right here, all size 10. Then like half of this aisle right here. So dang, almost 3 aisles just in size 10s. All right, I'm gonna change these up. We're gonna go check out Apparel. I've seen a bunch of the resellers with fire stuff. I saw one dude with the Lakers City Pack jacket already, which was freaking fire, dude, and he already got that. This place is, I came here, what, 20 minutes after they opened today? Probably the worst time to come. But yeah, $30 for this Jordan hoodie right here. That's a XXL. $30 for that one. Got this sweatshirt that's very holy. Yeah, $60 for these if you want to look all preppy. That's an XL. Nike SB hoodie right here for $40. You know, you just have to have stuff to match with that. Lightning Force, maybe? I think this is a little darker. Got Warriors merch right here. This is a large. Going for $30. Pretty thin though. Dang, is this like a pea coat? It's like a, wow, I've never seen this before. It is $80. It's like a fleece, a pea coat. I've never seen that. And this is a Nike. They got multiple colors here. This will get dirty in 8 seconds. But yeah, both of those XL, they're probably returns. ACG gear, I know you ACG lovers, y'all love your ACG. These are down to $60. Normally $170 down to $60. Got more of these sweatshirts. Ooh, got some Tech Pack on for $50 right here. Normally $130. This is a fire poofy jacket. It's super heavy too. A 180, and it is super thick. This is Thermofit. This is some really nice stuff. Normally 350 down to 180. This is a traditional poofy jacket right here, down to $60. Normally 200 down to 60 bucks. Find that in a medium or a large. That's definitely worth copping right there. But yeah, this, I've never seen this. This is fire. I'm a huge fan of this. Wow. All sales are final. I think they allow size swaps. I think they do allow size swaps though. Triple XL, $40. Jordan Love jersey. Ain't nobody want that. I do got a Herbert jersey. This one's actually fired. $90 though. That is an XL. Got some Cincinnati Bengals merch right here. Oh no, this is Tiger Woods. My bad. I'm tripping. Tiger Woods. I saw this from afar. I was like, is that the Bengals? Nah. Tiger Woods, $15. Normally $35. And then, is that an SB shirt? SB shirt. Screen printed though. Screen printed. Yeah, these are normally what, $40 down to 15 bucks. That's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. Pretty nice material. Got more Tiger Woods tees right here. This is an XL. These are 15. Got them in all kinds of sizes. Larges right here. Nike golf shirts. Jordan shirts with the emblem on it. These are small, 15, normally 35. More Woods shirts. These are smalls right here. Lakers t-shirt. This is a medium for $10. $10? Are you effing serious? And it got embroidery on it and everything. What the hell? Look at that. The Nike's embroidered. Lakers right there is embroidered. Look at this. A gray shirt. I always love gray. This says 20 though. I might have to have them scan this. Yeah, I had one of the workers scan it. I was like, there's no way. There's no way. Someone put it on the wrong one. It's scanning for 20, so I'll put it on the right one. Yeah, sometimes things just can be too good. Too good. United States right here going for 10 bucks. That's a small though. Rams merch, $10. Who's CFC? Who is that? Oh, Chelsea. Okay. Chelsea shirts for 10 bucks. Crazy. Got them in large too. Fluffy, extra fluffy fleece hoodies right here. And these bad boys down to $30. These are normally $95. That'll get dirty in 10 minutes. This will fade in 10 minutes. So I've been really a lot more picky. $30 for this track jacket right here. This is nice. That's nice for 30 bucks. These are some thick sweatshirts. I'm not calling them hoodies because there's no hood on them or hoodie. $80 for those. Resellers doing it big. I see a lot of people camping here. So yeah, so I was, what, 20 minutes late? I might as well have been 2 hours late. Like, that's kind of the way it works. Size 11. Dude got these Luca PEs from way back when, $80. I think I paid about like 70 something for my pair. So yeah, these ain't bad. These ain't bad at all. Love that color on them. That is fire. Seen a bunch of the Zoom Freak 5s here already. $60. Dirt cheap. Terminators go for 60. Remember them trying to hype these up like crazy. Didn't really work, but right now everything is kind of low. $60 for these. Black cement 2s. Black cement 2s, and then these go for $140. I am a fan of these. I think Wildcat, you was wearing these, right? Wildcat, you was wearing these, I believe. Yesterday. Okay, $140 for those. Got more 2s right here. These are 100. These are 100. These are size 10. And they're lows, and lows usually go for a little bit less. Damn, these got that premium material on it. Damn, these are fire. $150 for these right here. 10.5 in the size 11 area. Do got these LeBrons go for 100 bucks. I think I paid 100 for mine. So I got Seth the viewer. Thank you so much. He said he's willing to share some of the stuff that he found. He found a bunch of dunks. Got these going for 90, so that's what, $20 less than retail. Did get the reverse Brazils. And these are all your size, huh? These are all size 10, I see, huh? And then these are dope because these just came out. And these are going for what, 120 or something? These are going for 120 or something, so $30 off. That's pretty dope. And then got the SEs right here. This has that nice material on it. This got that upgraded material. These are just fire. I'm a fan of these. Like, I'm such a fan of the dunks with a good material. So that is fire. That's fire, dude. Okay. These are all for you, huh?
Yeah.
Dang, dude. All right, that was dope. Chopping it up with Seth. We talked for a cool minute. About sneakers, about life, all kinds of stuff. All right, let's check out the size 12s. Check out 13s. And then I think we still have the 9s. And then we'll go check out a little bit more apparel. All white lows right here. All white lows. I swear the material seems slightly different than the one that I have because I bought a women's. But I don't know. Let me know if you guys know if there's a difference or not. $90 for those. Running shoes, $80. Infinity Run Flyknit 2s. We just saw one of these at Ross. Y'all will see that coming up. $80 for those. More lows right here going for $90. Got some of the Rex Kwandos right here. This so reminds me of the Rex Kwandos.
Defend yourself with the strength of a grizzly.
Why do I call them that? Because they call the Nike Kwandos. $100. 12.5 Ja ones going for $90. Are we gonna see those on sale soon? Because those have been out for a minute now. Eldon's going for $60. Awful colorway. 13. Duke got the ambush. Oh, these aren't the ambush ones. Duke got the adjust forces. The Travis Scott 4 colorway. That reminds me of the Travis Scott Jordan 4s. Material on this is on point. Got some recycled material on the bottom. Going for $170. Holy crap, that's high. Got some dunk mids going for $60. Blazers down to $50. Metcon $60. Got these bad boys right here. The Cosmic Unity ones down to $70. They doing it big here. They doing it big. Got big stacks. Who's got big stacks? Got an undefeated shirt. That's cool. Size 9, $120 for these bad boys. Curious to see if this is cheaper than the regular outlets. $130. Nope. We've seen them for cheaper. Especially if we can find them on the back wall. Come on now. Oh, there we go. If I could find this. If I found this in my size, I'm not gonna lie, I definitely would grab these. These are dope. $80. Damn, especially at that price. Mids, UNC mids right here, $100. OGs right here, $20 off. Dude, they got the bread one low OGs. Dang, it looks like it's a return. Someone tried it on, like you can see. But they're not that bad though. That's what I love about the OG stuff. Like, these have been worn, but they're still 10 times better than the regulars. $110 for those. Zoom Pogos, what the hell is that? Okay. All right, kind of a derivative of the Blazers. $40. Got plenty of Vapor Max going for $100. Ooh, got this colorway as well, $110. Is that worth it? What do you guys think? 8.5 right here. These are fire, dude. These are dope. Kind of wish I did grab these my size now. $150 for those. All right, gonna move on to apparel, but check out my apparel real quick. Jordan 13 Atmosphere Grays. Comfy as hell, man. 13s are really comfy. Dude, got Zoom Air on them. Nice. And then in Los Angeles, we can wear a tank top still, man. Kind of crazy. All right, let's go. All right, they do have plenty of apparel to show you guys. Oh yeah, I meant to come to this section right here. Look at this PSG Nike shirts, $15. $15. They do have multiple sizes. They got large, extra large, and they even, medium back there. What the hell? Yeah, okay. Medium, large, extra large. Nike Flight t-shirts. They got LeBron Lakers shirts right here. These are down to $15. Normally $35. If you're a fan of LeBron, not bad. This is new number 2. More Lakers shirts right here. We saw this at the Shoe Palace clearance store. These go for $20. Got some, I think this is the Nike Trail shirts, $15 right here. Just random shirts right here. And then I think we have another, these are the same ones? Yeah, these are the same ones. So much saving these shorts right here. Like, why are these shorts? These have nothing to do with those. Some Jordan shorts. These are way too short though. Okay. Then do got the Nike Air Max slides. These are like the 2020 slides or something. The Air Max 1 slides, my bad. Air Max 1 slides go for $40. Some of these go for like way more. I don't remember the retail on these, but that's pretty fire. They got says 9, 12, 14s. Oh, they got a 10 right there too. Then we've been seeing this University Blue at certain spots. Like I mentioned, I love University Blue, but it's tough to match stuff with it because there's so many different shades of University Blue. But yeah, $25. This is a double XL. That's a nice hoodie, dude. Got a sweater right here. Oh, Tiger Woods. I was like, this looks a little bougie. But yeah, Tiger Woods sweater, $50. It's just a small. Got a few of them. XL as well. UCLA long sleeve t-shirts. I guess they got Nike and Jordan stuff for UCLA. $15 in a large. So it looks like there's a lot more interesting stuff here. I'm gonna be honest, I haven't really come here that much lately, but it looks like they are getting more and more stuff. That is why the resellers are camping. I don't blame them because they're getting more and more interesting stuff. $30 for that track jacket, $30 for this one as well. All right, hopefully I showed you guys enough. Hopefully this video is long enough. Hopefully it was informative. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys help with it. Make sure you press that like button if you're new, subscribe. And yeah, man, that's pretty much about it. Gonna wrap things up. We're out.